If you have an iPhone 13 or later, NFC is already enabled by default. This means you don't need to turn it on manually, it should work automatically when you bring your iPhone close to an NFC tag or device. However, if NFC doesn't seem to be working, follow these steps below to check and enable it manually. To manually set up NFC, we'll use Shortcuts app. This app is pre-installed on every iPhone. Here we can see it at my home screen. Now I'm gonna reopen it. That's how this app looks like. And you can easily find if you swipe down on your home screen just like that and then search for shortcuts. That's how we can easily find this app. And first off, we need to open it up. After that, go to Automation. Down below here is the middle button, which is called Automation. I'm gonna tap on it. And now we need to create new automation by tapping at this blue button. Once you've done that, guys, scroll down slowly until you find NFC here. There it is. And then at the very top you will find this NFC tag feature, and next to it says scan at the right side of the screen. And if you just tap right here where it says scan, it will show you this pop-up. It says ready to scan. And now all we have to do is just hold our iPhone close to an NFC tag, for example, NFC card, sticker, or another NFC-enabled device. After scanning the NFC tag, your iPhone will automatically activate NFC scanning whenever it detects a similar NFC tag. Now, whenever you bring your iPhone near to an NFC tag, it will be ready to scan and interact with it. This setup is especially useful for older iPhones where NFC doesn't always activate automatically. However, if for some reason NFC still doesn't work on your device, make sure your iOS is up to date. And to do that, I'm gonna hit a cancel, and then we need to go to our iPhone settings. After that, go to General, then tap Add Software Update here at the top. And here we can check if we have some updates. If you got an update here, just download it and install on your device. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.